some breakfast real quick, yeah? Alright, in the pot here, so I have about a pound of jerk pork. Yeah, a little bit less. And may I put some purple onions in there for saute real quick. Yeah. The jerk pork I will buy over the weekend. Now remind me, yeah, pork not that healthy. Sometimes you have to do it with what you have. You understand what I say? So just saute this real quick. Breakfast ideas. You understand what I say? And then we're gonna add other things. Yeah, to the pork and the onion now I add some carrot, some cabbage. You understand? And there's a quick saute. You just want everything going. Permutate. Yeah, breakfast idea that's man. You understand? And then I add some carrot. I add my carrot then. And we just want to mix this up in the pot. And make it saute a little bit. Make the cabbage wilt. Make the carrot get a little bit tender. You don't really want it too soft. You just want it wilt a little bit. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. So as I say, you want the carrot just wilt a little bit. You know, everything get a little bit more nicer. So the thing set. You see what I say? Add some more ingredients, isn't it? What I did now, I put some garlic powder and a little bit of sugar. You always need a little bit of sugar to get that umami flavor, and you can put whatever ingredients you want, whatever little accentuations you want, you know, sage, you know, turmeric, whatever it is that you want. But I put some garlic, a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of Italian seasoning. I also picked up this at Whole Foods, yeah, and so put a little bit of that in it. And I just like herbs, so yeah. And the final thing I'm gonna put in is, yes, some of this, which is organic dried cranberries. And the cranberries will cut the spiciness of the pork, add a little sweetness to the dish, and as well as the fact that it's along the healthy line. And then the final thing is some cilantro, and this ready to turn off. Yeah, that's how the thing set. So you're gonna see the finishing when we're done. That's how the thing set. Yeah, so just put some cilantro on the top and ready for lock off this. This ready? Yes, it is ready. So we're gonna serve it up and make you see it. You see what I say? Our breakfast was there. Breakfast is served in our Yardie Belly's kitchen. Here is the finished dish, folks. Yeah, served up with some fried green plantains, or what the Spanish people them call tostones. And of course, you can try that one in your neck of the woods. Yeah, breakfast time we say. Alright, in a Yardie Belly in a foreign. So we add some jerk pork with cabbage, carrots, cranberries, and tostones. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend them about it, and ting. You see, remember.